ladder on Monday, sorry. I don't know, but it looked like Calvin was steelhead fishing or something, trying to rip that out of their mouth. And it looked to me like Levi looked like a big guppy up there. Just thinking out loud anyway. But it's just been a great week. I would say that as I look in the stands, throughout the week, we had some very interesting designs and costumes and attire this week, and I'll tell you this, my principal hat, I did a lot of walking with blinders on, because there was some really, wow, kind of, not really. Oh, well. Okay, quick introduction of the players, just numerically. Number 1, Jared Ball. Number 7, Jake Truesdale. Number 12, Dylan Allard. Number 16, Drew Marion. Number 20, Kevin Kunkel. Number 22, Nathan Holt. 24, Tyler Berge. 33, Bradley Atkins. 44, Mason Herrick. 52, Zach Redmond. 54, Austin Booms. 60, Aaron Lewis. 63, Cameron Maxwell. 68, Ethan Wessel. 71, Cody Byrne. 75, Matt Creed. 76, Levi Eaton. 84, Lucas Marion. 88, Corey Root. Assistant coaches, Kevin Kent, who's hiding. Todd Bosick, who's oh, he's over here. And then Jim Seiler, who's over here. First of all, I think these kids are representing the school, the community very well. They play at a pretty good high tempo. They play at a high level of competitiveness. And they're good representative of their families and their school. And I tell you what, as a coach, could not be prouder and happier to be coaching this group of kids than you can ever imagine. So I'll tell you the highlight of my day is when I get to go over there and spend 2.5 to 3 hours with those kids every day, because it's that much fun. So thank you for letting me be a part of it. I got to give a couple shout outs here. Every year, my man, Mr. Youngman, and the band sounded great in the parade today. And our cheerleaders in the back who rocked it every time. Mr. Vanderbrook and Mr. Dole for putting on a great week of activities for you guys. I'm not sure you could find a better looking group of kids than our court over here. Give it up for us. And even you, Jimmy, you're looking good, buddy. Looking good still. Okay. Last night our JV team, who was already introduced, did a great job of getting this started with a sounding whooping of the McBain Ramblers 28. There's more to it than that. First of all, we play for a yearly competition with the Sentinel Trophy, which we got back last year. We hope to keep it again this year. That's number 1. Number 2, a win keeps us in the contention for the Highland Conference race, which is always a difficult task. That's number 2. And number 3, to try to get for 5 consecutive years, with a win, we qualify for the state tournament, and that is an important feat. So here's what we need, all right? We got a lot of school spirit. I mean a lot. Our kids be great in the hall. I need you at the game being rowdy and obnoxious. That's what we need. Okay. Rowdy and obnoxious, all right? So I want you loud and proud. That's what I need. Our goal is to take the wheel off the Ramblers. What do you think about that?
Oh, they're not going to do it.
I got my lovely Vanna White. Okay, and now the cheerleaders are going to lead us in the battle cry.